I read earlier on Facebook, it's 100 days before Christmas today. No, hindi naman sila excited, ano? Okay, 100 days. And a week after that, a week after Christmas, we will welcome a new year, 2024. And I, as always, remind people, a new year is a new beginning, but it is also an opportunity to evaluate our life. What has happened in the past 12 months? What has happened in the past year of my life here on earth? And a very good way of evaluating our life when we are trying to go back to our past, a very good way of evaluating our life is the gospel of today. Sabi ng Panginoon, a good tree does not bear rotten fruit, nor does a rotten tree bear good fruit. Mahusay na puno, mahusay na bunga. Bulok na puno, bulok ang bunga. Diyan natin makikita kung tama ba yung landas na ating tinatahak. Tama ba yung ginagawa natin? Yung bang mga ginagawa natin ay ayon sa kalooban ng Diyos? Kung babalikan natin ang ating buhay at titignan ano yung mga nangyari sa buhay natin, ito bang mga bagay na ito ay maipagmamalaki natin sa Panginoon? When you look back at your life, for example, the past 1 week, wag na nating tignan yung isang taon, masyado yatang mahaba yun. Yung nakaraang isang linggo, anong ginawa ninyo? Sabado ngayon, mula Lunes hanggang Biyernes, anong naging focus ng inyong buhay? Saan, ano ang inyong daan na tinahak? Ito ba'y maipagmamalaki ninyo sa Panginoon? That is what is meant by good fruit. Kasi kahit po sa pagdarasal, you pray daily. Some of you go to Mass daily. At least some of you go to Mass every Sunday. You pray the rosary, you pray the novena. What does the prayer bring about? What is the fruit of your prayer? Kayo ba ay mas nagiging mapagmahal? Pag nagdarasal kayo, ang amo-amo ng mukha nyo, ang amo-amo ng mukha natin. Pero ano ang bunga nito? Sa sarili natin at sa pakikipagkapwa natin. Tayo ba ay mas nagiging malamig ang ulo at mapagpasensya? Tayo ba ay nagiging mas mapagbigay? We have become more generous, more forgiving, more patient, more understanding. That should be the fruit of your prayer, a changed person. Pero kung dasal ka ng dasal, tapos wala namang nababago sa ugali natin, para saan pa? Para saan pa ang pagdarasal kung hindi naman tayo nagiging mas mabuting tao? Makikita natin ang genuineness ng ating panalangin kung ang pananalangin natin ay nagiging daan tungo sa ating pagbabago. That is how we are going to measure our day, our prayer, our life. What are the fruits they bear? Pero hindi lamang po yun. Dapat tignan natin, yung bang mga bunga ngayon ay pangmatagalan? Because one element of change is consistency. Hindi tayo dapat maging katulad ng mga fireworks, no? Pag nagpa-fireworks, no? Okay, hanga tayo. Ang ganda, ang liwanag. Pero sandali lang. Ganun ba ang ating kabutihan? Panandalian? Lumiwanag, pero dumilim uli pagkatapos. May mga ganun tao, no? Nag-seminar sa charismatic o umattend ng kursilyo, 3 days. After ng kursilyo, paglabas, wow, ang bait-bait, no? Hindi nagmumura, no? Nagdadasal. Pero hanggang kailan? After 1 week, after 2 weeks, balik na sa dating ugali. Ang bunga na hinahanap sa atin ng Panginoon ay hindi panandali ang bunga, bungang nagtatagal. We should not be like fireworks. We should be like the brightness of the sun. The sun sets, the sun rises again, but the sun consistently gives light. Hindi panandalian, kundi pangmatagalan. My dear brothers and sisters, these are the graces that we ask today in this Mass. Lord, let me change myself. Allow me to be open to change. And allow me to be open to change that lasts. This is the fruit of my prayer. Amen.